each sump being individually monitored, the SVI units, the sensor valve interface units, are going to build a rich data set for each sump. So within the machine details page, which you can scroll through one machine at a time, you're gonna see some kind of core information available. Right now, we're showing you the level trends, the fill events that are happening at each CNC. One of the things that we found with this easy to use interface is you can actually see within this data when machines are running, and you may even find when machines are not running. So the level controller footprint, the data from that footprint is very, very insightful on your plant productivity. But the other things that the SVI does for data within the Coolant Health app is it allows you to look at your temperature trend. Today's advanced manufacturers realize the more thermally stable their machines are, the higher tolerances they can machine at. So with the Coolant Health app, you're going to be able to set anomaly detection windows with real-time alerts. When your machine's not as stable as you want thermally, you're going to know instantaneously. The other thing that's in this data set is the ability to look at the concentration trend that's happening within the sump by sump. You're also going to be able to look at the pH levels for every single machine. And the last thing you're going to be able to look at is what dosing strategy has FullShop deployed. So when the machine is running right now, I can see what ratio it's set at. In this example, 3.2%. But if I look at what it did a short time prior to that, I can see we were dosing in at 2.2%, which was continuing to refine the target concentration in the sump. So when you look at FullShop Gen 3's individual footprint of data for each CNC, you'll find it's very rich. Not that there's not an unlimited amount of users, but with FullShop, you could invite in dozens and dozens and dozens of people to the environment to collaborate on coolant. Practically no limits as far as users within the environment. And you could have this interface manage hundreds of machines. So it's easy though, when you're in a specific area of the plant, to only look at what you're concerned about. So one of the functions of the interface is let's focus on what matters, right? So with the interface, you're gonna be able to go here and say, hey, I'm only worried about just my mills. Here's a data set for that. I'm only worried about my lathes. Here's a data set for that. I'm only worried about my mill turns. Here's a data set for that. So as your foremans, your shop leads are focused in their areas, they're gonna be able to get the information that matters to them. Cut out the noise, stay focused with the FullShop dashboard. Some customers aren't quite ready to dip their toes in the water with the full automation platform that FullShop offers. For those customers, we encourage them to go to our website, register for a free trial of the FullShop Coolant Health app. With the app alone, no equipment included, we believe you can make significant change in your culture and the performance of your coolant. The dashboard allows you to track coolant concentrations, pH. Those are manual entries, but when we trend them, when we alert you about off-target machines, you're gonna find you're performing better than ever. So if you're looking for a really lightweight, easy to get into solution for better coolant management, try the standalone Coolant Health app to start off your journey to better coolant performance.